Hi everyone, and thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook on this Sunday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson. And today across parts of the Midwest, we're keeping an eye on an enhanced severe threat, which means that the damaging wind and hail threat is actually quite elevated, maybe some isolated tornadoes, but heavy rainfall and flooding a concern in some areas across the nation. We're also looking at some smoky sunrises and sunsets. Here's a view from Saturday. And this was in the upper Midwest, but as you notice here, kind of that orangish, reddish glow to the sunrise, sunsets. If you've been noticing that, it's thanks to some Canadian, Northwest Territory, and even Alaskan wildfires. We have several of them burning to the far north, and then those upper-level winds carrying all those smoke plumes down into the lower 48. So again, if you've been noticing that, that's why. All right, to our severe threat today, we've got an enhanced threat from out near the Black Hills of South Dakota and into far western Minnesota. Again, maybe some isolated tornadoes, a large hail, but the overall threat turns into more of a wind damage concern overnight tonight, and then that heavy rainfall. So here's what it looks like. You can see these clusters of storms developing late this afternoon, and then we'll stop that clock around 9 p.m. You can see the thunderstorm activity really starting to move into these particular areas. As we continue on overnight and early tomorrow morning, showers and storms do continue. We'll have a very brief quiet period, but then some redeveloping thunderstorms on Monday afternoon, all the way from the Texas Panhandle up into the Great Lakes region. So there's your severe threat on Monday, marginal risk. And then by Tuesday, that threat shifting a little bit to the east. But pockets of heavy rain over a 5-day period. Central U.S., maybe 2 to 4, isolated 5+, and then some heavy rain expected late today and early tomorrow morning in the upper Mississippi Valley. Still plenty warm throughout the U.S. In fact, the Northwest today up into the 90s and triple digits. Reading at 104, 93 in Boise, and 95 in Seattle.